also what I think maybe the next mistake that people make, specifically on cars, is they buy a car that they most likely cannot afford. The dealer said they can because
Yeah.
they're like,
Per
what do you
month.
think you need to spend? And then they just go and tweak the numbers and gooi a balloon payment and extend the term, and then you can essentially buy a Ferrari. You're just going to pay for it for 3 generations. But then what happens is you buy the car and you pay it off, and now you feel like every 5 years I need to replace it. For some reason, I don't know why that rule even exists, that people think they need to. You know that when you drive the car out of the dealership, it depreciates by a large chunk of that money is just like thrown into the water. And I think most cars, if you take care of them, they can drive at least 10 to 12 plus years, depending on the brand. So trying to not overextend yourself on car loans is also a big one. It's kind of like this rule of thumb that whatever you put into your car loan should not be higher than what you put into your investments, long-term investments. That's like a very basic level. So at this stage in your career where you're progressing and you're earning more, doesn't mean you have to now go and upgrade your car every 5 years to fit societal norms on what you see on Instagram.